wondered why successful traders win always and at all times? You just put in yourself and like, why? What's up? What are they doing differently? There are 3 things these people are doing differently, and every day it has become a routine for them. These 3 things I will be showing you in this video. You need to put them into place and how you can work in line with this and begin to position yourself to profitability. Henceforth, watch me and follow me too, and endeavor to watch this video to the end. Thank you. Cheers. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Just like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you exactly what people are doing. Professional traders, profitable traders are doing strictly, and then of course, before entering any trade, the 3 things these guys know that you do not know, the 3 things this guy put in place that you probably is not doing. I will show you today in this video as I promised, and I'll detail everything one after the other. And I believe that if you can put this into place, you definitely scale up your journey in this forex industry. Please endeavor to watch this video because the number 1, 2, 3 is very, very paramount and important, and of course to do you well and to do you a great improvement to your trading journey. All right, let's go into it. So number 1 is this: most successful traders, most profitable traders, anytime they want to come into trading, or they want to start trading, or they want to pick up a trade for the week, for example, I want to start trading. Perhaps some people don't trade on Mondays because of the way it behaves. Why some people start trading on Tuesdays? Why some people don't trade on Friday because of the way it behaves? Fortunately, me, I don't really trade on Fridays like that. Most times if I trade on Fridays, that Friday must overlap till the next month. I will make sure I hold it till the next following weeks because I don't really like Friday settings like that. For example, it's just Wednesday, some people it's Monday, some people so it might be. But this is what I do mostly. This is what generally most profitable trader does. Now, before they come into trade, before they start trading for the day, before they start trading on anything, they always wait for their setup. Am I talking? Professional traders wait for their setup. Any impulsive trade or impulsive setup is not the one that will make you the money. If you notice it very well, the setup that you prepared for, you waited for, you anticipated for, you saw the move, how it was moving, it was climbing, getting matured and everything. You see that these are the things that eventually get you the money you needed. These are the trades that gives you that money. These are the trades that you can use to flip. These are the trades that you can use to pass problems. These are the trades you can use to double up your account. Am I talking to somebody? So you notice that one of the things that traders do, that is what they wait for their setup. These people might have done the setup over the week or over the weekend, and they come into the market the new week and they're just waiting for it to mature, wait for that setup. But you, perhaps you never did. Just come to the market on Monday, you just want to trade any stuff. You see, opportunity that is prepared for is the most unsuitable opportunity you can ever climb on in this forex journey. Opportunity that is well prepared for. Just like preparation. I always said, when opportunity means preparations, of course, success is inevitable. That's exactly what it means. It means you prepared for the opportunity. You already saw it building up and you were already anticipating for it. So such trades, such kind of preparation setup, eats the more, give you the banger. Am I talking to somebody yet? I am an experience of what I'm talking about. I most times see that most times the setup I waited for the more is always the best. Sometimes if I want to pick if I want to diversify my assets sometimes, and then I saw a new opportunity why I waited for it. Well, for example, I waited for JPY, GBPJPY, and I saw an opportunity on probably USDJPY, why that one was already moving. Most times, the one I waited for, most times give me the win. Why sometimes that one will probably take my stop loss, or because I may not have good entry or good anything or something like that. And I want to notice that why do I even add up this? I shouldn't have. I just open up my asset on this single pair and just maintain it. Sometimes it happens. What gives you the real money is what you waited for. That setup you anticipated for, it was building and it was aligning to your setup. You should do this, and it did that. You should come to this level, you did that. You should maintain my trend line, you did that. You should bounce on my trend line, you did that. You should stay on this zone, you did that. You should do that in setup that will give you that what you needed. Am I talking to somebody? It means that what market is meeting your needs, your demand. If you ask market to do this and you did that, oh, come to this level and do this. Give me a double top pattern, give me an M pattern, give me W pattern, give me anyone you want to make. Oh, give me a shape I need to shape, and when it does that, give me head and shoulder, it does that. Give me this. Once I see this, I'll enter. It does that confidently. Those are the confidences that what. Those are the setup that what give you the banger you need. Am I talking? And those are the things that professional traders and profitable trader does and look into for before entering or going to any trade. That's number one. Number two is the week setup itself. Is this setup meeting all my criteria? Am I talking? Is this setup what? Meeting all my criteria? What are the criteria? For we consider price actions, we consider trend line, we consider market structure, we consider area of concentration, we consider so and so lot more. Why some people could be moving average, MACD, anyhow, could be what would they call it? Indicators. Why some people could be purely price action. Why some people could be anything. So people ask their own what is working for them and what best give them their results. Am I talking somebody? So this is exactly what. So they now consider what the setup that gives them the money the most, and then they put into it how many of these conferences are they meeting up. Is it just 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 or 5? You know, when a setup is meeting, when your conferences is meeting 4/5 or 5/5, that is strong enough. That is crazy. That is telling you, passing a message, a clear message to you, an obvious message to you that what this is a good setup that could definitely obey your bias and that could definitely give you what you want, what you are expecting. It's already giving you an hint of the outcome that this is going to be a crazy long, it's going to be a crazy short, it's going to be crazy, or no? It's already telling you the outcome already. So that kind of setup is very, very key, and you meet all your criteria. Am I talking to somebody? And lastly, the third one that I believe strongly that professional traders and profitable traders look for into before entering or making a decision to enter any trade is the last one is this. They look at their risk reward, their losses and their reward. Which is their risk reward. How much am I willing to risk and how much am I winning on this? If I'm willing to risk 100%, 2%, 3%, 10%, how much is the potential of me winning double of this? If I'm willing to risk this does this have a potential of me winning twice of it or twice of it? Am I talking to somebody? So they look at how much am I willing to, apart from that, they consider how much am I willing to lose on this trade. How much am I willing to lose? If I lose 5%, is it convenient for me? If I lose 5%, will I blow this account or will I violate it or not? You know, some traders don't even consider some kind of stuff. You just see setup or you see signals, oh, you're so happy about it, it's moving fine, you just jump in and within a tweaking of a high, you trick reverse. And you're already gone. Oh, you close up. By the time you close out, it went back again in the same direction. I'm like, fuck, what's happened? Because of what? You do not understand what is called balance psychology and of course setting out your risk management. Properly, perfect risk management, you have to consider first, ask yourself, how much am I risking? How much am I willing to risk on this trade? You should have it in mind. You should have it first. It's just like someone that wants to become a doctor. You already have his wants to become and he wants to apply for and he wants to jam and he's filling out, he wants to become a doctor. Then he should be a science student. Then he should be taking what? Physics, chemistry and the likes, right? And of course you are already doing government, history, CLK. Can you imagine? That's exactly the same thing, you know. So it's something that you should pre-plan. It should be a predetermined for you before you go into it, and it determines your losses, it determines your profit, you're making your outcome out of it, your hair that you tend to make out of it. It should be determined first. It's very important. People talk about this a lot, and some people do not put it into consideration. That is why you see yourself still stagnant, you still find it difficult to have a smooth journey in this forex industry. You know, it's becoming something of something you cannot achieve, something unachievable, and the likes like that. But if you're going to put some of this simple stuff Just simple. It's simple as ABC. It's simple as it may look, but in practice, in application, it's so difficult. In application, it's so difficult to apply. But if you can try your best and do every possible means to do, apply some of these 3 steps into your trading firstly, then you begin to see results. I bet you on that, because these are the steps, these are the key criteria, your main points, nuggets that you need to put into your trading before you start your trading for the day or for the week. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow me. Share and like this video if you get 1 or 2 value today. More importantly, please, we have a family, of course, on Telegram, where we throw out signals every blessed day, and we do educations for free. Our VIP also is free. We have a VIP channel, private room, that is free as well. You will love it. This very week we had about 15 trades. We won everything. Last week we had about 18. We won everything. Upper week we had about 23 trades. We won everything. And since September we've been having a crazy and a mad, insane winning streak, which is crazy, man. Which is crazy. I think August market condition was crazy. There were some few losses. After then, September's have been crazy and crazy, back to back. Win. And this is what I want you to join us for, so you can also make something for the week and for the month and for the rest of the year, and of course be happy and of course flex, and let's make this money together, guys. So thank you so much once again. Don't forget to subscribe. Do that right now, or I take a stop loss. Thank you very much, and join me on the other video. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.